backwards. Go for it. Grab it.
She has it.
You can do it, Bella. Do you like the Yankees? Come on, Bella, do it. You gave up?
She was checking out the stuff.
Did you give up, Bella? Where's your toy? Go get your toy. With your tongue hanging out. Go get it.
There's Nick Swisher, who is 1 for 2.
Come on, go get it.
Double right center at 4.
Bella. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. She must be scared of the pillows or something. Go get it.